guys, welcome to this video, and today I will be burping. Yep, I will be burping. And I don't mean like a small burp, a medium burp, or a large burp. I mean an extra large burp. Let's go outside because I don't want to interrupt anyone in the family. Oh, and the reason, how I do this is really easy. Okay, I don't need any water or anything, which sounds weird, but yeah. All I do is swallow air. You're not going to believe me, but watch me. That's medium because I'm hungry right now. It doesn't come out all the way when I'm hungry. So yeah, burping video. I think I can make a gaming video today on Minecraft. I might, but I might not. It might be something else. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye!